And welcome to the inauguration of the DP Visual Arts exhibition for the class of May 2022. Chopin's Nocturne in E-flat major, Opus 9, number 2, was composed between 1830 and 1832. Here's a rendition by our very own Chopin Sharp.
Art is not beauty. Art actually is human intervention in our environment to create something new that was never there before. That is art.
Hi, my name is Sonam and this is my exhibition. My entire exhibition is based on the theme of mental health effects while living in a patriarchal society. Hi, I'm Isha Anand. I'm a grade 12 student and my exhibition revolves around the theme of being bound in a predicament.
My name is Vanya Garg and my exhibition is about the theme. I have looked at the 5 states of mind.
Hi, my name is Dijya and I'm from grade 12 from Pathway School, Noida. This is my exhibition. The theme of my exhibition is insecurities of the mind.